Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel, Septeria18. Before I get started with this really fun project, I would like to welcome my new subscribers here to my channel and to thank those that have subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell as well if you would like to see more of my videos so you don't miss out on my videos when I upload them, and then you'll be able to get a notification when they are up. But I've got here a really fun project. It is a flat fold, a treat bag or gift bag. You don't need a scoreboard to make these treat bags, and they are so easy that you can make these in under 5 minutes, especially if you are in a rush and you wanted to package some of your goodies. You could make these in under 5 minutes without a scoreboard, and I'm going to show you how you could do that as well. But there are other videos out there on how you can make these treat bags as well. But I wanted to make one where I can make a set, and this is the one that I'd come up with here. So this here is the set, and you can make a set of 2 of these with one piece of 12 by 12 paper. So you can make a slightly larger one, and then this cute little mini treat bag. And then this one here is just a single one that I had made. I was just trying to see how it would look, and then I was quite happy with the size and the amount of space that you get inside. And it sort of expands out like this, so then you can add more bulkier goodies in here, and then it just folds flat like this. So if you are doing craft fairs, or you like packaging a lot of your goodies, you can make a whole heap of these, and then they just sort of stack up nice and flat, and then you just have a whole heap ready for you to have ready on hand. But I like the fact that I was able to make 2 of these cute little ones, and then this is another one that I've made. And I think these are great, especially if you like to gift a couple of goodies, and then you can have your larger goodies in the larger one, and then you've got a smaller one, and then they sort of match really nicely as well. And I think this is also a great little gift pack as well if you wanted to gift some gift packaging to some of your recipients or crafty friends. These just make a cute little gift pack, and this is just a little cutter part that I've just stuck with the set just to decorate the gift pack. And then I've just got some organza ribbon just to tie it together, and you can still package these flat and put them in your own little seal bag, and then you can gift them. But this is just so cute. I did use the paper pad. It's a 12 by 12 paper pad, which is this one here. It's by Pebbles. It's their Peekaboo You Girl paper pad, and I really like the patterns on here. I mean, it wasn't really, I bought it not to make anything for baby girl. I just like some of the patterns on here so I could use them for other projects. But this is the paper collection I use to create all of these. I then also made this cute little mini tote gift bag as well, with just one piece of smaller paper, which I'll also show you how to make these and the measurement for this size. But I think it turned out really cute. I did use a prima flower just to decorate the front of the gift bag, just to decorate that a bit. I also punched the holes here for the organza ribbon, and then I used the We Are Memory Keepers reinforcement punch, and then it punched out these little circles here, which I just adhered that to keep it more stronger so that it wouldn't tear the paper. So I did use that. And so I'm going to show you how you can make a set of 2, and then I'll show you how to make this one with the measurements for this one. So to make this one, you'll need your 12 by 12 paper, and then you're going to cut it in half. So you'll get a piece at 6 inches by 12 inches. And with your paper, you want to have your paper print that has no direction if you wanted to make a set like this one. So you don't want a print that has a one direction pattern. So when you cut your paper, so let's just say this is your 12 by 12 paper. So you're going to cut it in half, so you'll have 2 pieces at 6 inches by 12 inches, and then you're going to turn it around this way, and then you're going to cut it at 8 inches. So then you will be left with 2 pieces. You'll get a piece at 6 inches by 8 inches, and then you'll have another piece at 4 inches by 6 inches. What we'll do first, we'll make this larger one. And again, you can make this in under 5 minutes without a scoreboard. So all I'm going to do here, I'm going to bring these over to the middle. I'm going to overlap the left side just slightly over the right side. Not too much. Probably, I'm not sure how much I've got there. About that much there. It's probably 1/4 of an inch or just less. And then you're going to glue the left side that we had that fold. So you just press that down, and then you're going to bring this bottom one up, and I bring mine up about 1 inch. So however high you fold your paper will give you the width of the opening. So about 1 inch is probably a little bit over, but you just decide when you make yours how much you want your opening to be. So then you open this up, and you're going to grab this side here, and you're going to press that down, and you're just going to bring that fold line and sort of just line it with that fold line, and it'll create this little triangle. And then you do the same with this side, just pressing that down and then lining that fold line with that fold. So you'll have that. And now we're going to bring this side over, and we're going to bring this edge just over that fold line. And then you're going to bring this side, and you're going to bring that edge and overlap that on top of that fold. And you want to sort of just making sure that all this looks even on the edge. So you'll have that. And now we're just going to open this up again, and we're going to put glue. I'll bring it up here. Just glue along the edge here, along here, and along the bottom. We're going to bring this one over and press that on the edge, and then we're going to bring this one up. So you'll have that all glued down. We're going to turn this around this way now. I'm just going to press down on these creases. So we're going to bring this fold line, and we're going to line it with that point here. So I'm just going to just do that, and then just fold so that it lines up. And then on this side we'll do the same. These treat bags are probably good to use lightweight paper or medium weight paper because it's easier to fold. This is just lightweight paper, scrapbook paper that I'm using. So when you've got that done, you open it all up and just sort of get your creases out, and then you're going to open the top. I'm hoping that's all glued down properly. Just going to open that up, and it'll want to pop out into like a little bag already. So you'll see that it's doing that. And then you've got this little middle crease here. You're just going to gently push that in to create like a mountain fold, and just press that along the side, and then do the same to the other side. And then that will give you your little flat treat box or treat bag, gift bag. And that's all there is to that. And then you just have that ready, and then it's ready for you to add your goodies inside. And then you can make the smaller one. which is then using this one. This is why you didn't want to have a print that was one direction, because you're going to turn the paper the other way. And it's the same thing. You're just going to fold that over and do it exactly the same way. Just doing the same, and then you just fold that up, and then creating the same way you've done it, and then you'll get this sort of shape. And then I did use the Fiskars scalloped edge scissors to create this nice little pattern on the top, just to decorate the top of the bag. So that's how I made these matching set with the half a sheet of 12 by 12. So to make this one here, what you're going to need is, you're probably best to use more of the medium weight or the heavier weight to make these little mini gift bags, because with the handle you don't want the thinner one, just in case it doesn't hold your goodies in. So but I'm going to do it with the lightweight paper just so you can see the measurements. So again, it's exactly the same. I did cut the paper at 4 inches by 8 inches. That's to give me this size. And again, you're going to just do the same thing, and you're just going to bring it over. I won't make the box. I'm just going to give you the guide on the measurements for the bottom. I'll just glue this. So for this one here, if you are going to use a scoreboard, you want to fold it about 1 inch in height. And with this gift bag, I measured it out. It's roughly about 1 1/4 of an inch. So I fold mine about there, which I think is 1. It really doesn't matter. You just play around with it until you're happy with however wide you want your gift bag to open. And then it's exactly the same. You bring it out once your papers are glued, pressing that down. And just make sure you fold down on those creases really well, so it's easy to assemble your gift bag. And the same thing, you just bring that over. And just making sure that these little angles sort of look pretty much even. And then again, you just bring this over. Oh, you've got to glue this side, opening this up, and then gluing the edge and the bottom. Bring this one over, that one over. And then again, you just follow that little point and fold your paper over to along that point. Same. So then when you open this up, it will give you a nice wider tote shaped gift bag, and then you just punch your little holes on the top. And then you just put these together, punch your little holes. Just grab my and then you just thread your trim. Just take the stuffing out so you can see. And then you just thread your trim through the inside, and then tie a knot to hold it in place, and then you do that. And these are great too. I made these bag toppers in my other video, and these are just so cute. And it has a little side pocket where you can add your little tag. And I think these are great too if you wanted to make these sort of little bag toppers, and then you can adhere it to the top of your bag like that. And then you've already got yourself a little gift tag with your bag topper and you decorate your bag. So all you do is you just adhere some double-sided tape to the bag and then adhere it to one side of your gift bag, and then over here you'll just add like a little Velcro dot or a little Velcro adhesive or a little foam dot to here, and then that'll hold it in place, and then they just open it that way, and then they're able to get their goodies out that way. So that's just another great way to decorate your little gift bag with one of these bag toppers, and I'll put the link down below so you can see how you can make these little cute little bag toppers. But I just wanted to show you these little gift bags that I made to make a little set, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.